right, today we're going to do 9-4 multiplying special cases. Now on these, you can still just do FOIL, which is fine, but I'm going to show you, if you can remember them, just some special cases. So if you have a plus b squared, okay, that is the same as a plus b times a plus b, which we learned last lesson. You can just FOIL, which I'll do an example in a minute. But what you can do, if you can remember, for to have a short case, would just be to do a, if you can remember, a squared plus 2 times ab plus b squared. Okay, and this would be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Okay, since this is a minus in there. So, for example, if you've had x plus 7 squared, I'm going to show you both ways. I'll show you FOIL in a minute, or you can just do this and use our rule. So a is the first one, so it's going to be x squared, and then it says plus 2ab, so plus 2, well, a is x and b is 7, okay? And then b squared is 7, so that's going to be 7 squared. So we have x squared plus 14x plus 49 is what that would be. Now, if you were going to FOIL it, let me change the color here real quick. If you were going to just FOIL it, because this says it's x plus 7 squared, so it's x plus 7 times x plus 7, then you can just do your FOIL if you want, if that other one doesn't make sense. So that gives us x squared first, outside, plus 7x plus 7x plus 49. And sometimes you'll want to keep doing FOIL until you're used to it, and then you can start doing it the other way. I don't care how you do it. Okay, I don't care if you memorize this or if you just FOIL things out every time. You'll get the same answer. Okay. Okay, so on here you can again do it either way. I'll do FOIL here in a minute, but if we use our new rules, it's going to be a squared minus, since this is a minus, 2ab plus b squared. Okay, so then this becomes 16k squared minus 24k plus 9. Okay, now if we were FOILing it, you should get the same answer. And again, if you just want to FOIL everything, I'm okay with that. This would be 16k squared first, outside, inside, last, plus 9. And negative 12 and negative 12 is going to give you negative 24k plus 9. So you end up with the same answer. Okay, either way, I don't care. Okay, now the difference of squares, if you have a plus b times a minus b, okay, what you're going to end up with is a squared minus b squared. Okay, so if you have d plus 11 and d minus 11, your final answer is going to be d squared minus 121, which is what 11 squared is. Okay, now if you were to FOIL this, you would get d squared minus 11d plus 11d minus 11 squared. So that this net minus d plus d is going to cancel. So that's where we get d squared minus 121. Okay, so if you can remember, if it's d plus 11, d minus 11, or anything that's the same, it's just a plus and a minus, then those middle two terms are going to cancel. Okay, it doesn't matter what it is. Okay, as long as they're the same, it's just 1 minus 1 negative, or 1 minus 1 positive. So like this one, okay, we know it's going to end up being c squared squared minus 8 squared. So it's going to be c to the 4th minus 64. Okay, now again, if you want to FOIL it, it's going to be c to the fourth, and then it's going to be negative 8c squared plus 8c squared, and then minus 64. And those will cancel, so you'll get c to the fourth minus 64. Same thing. Okay, these are just special cases, so they give you kind of easier things to remember.